Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the game allows split screen or multiple instances. This determines the whole method. Once done, verify hardware headroom. GPU and CPU should have about 60% free capacity to avoid lag. Make sure you have controllers or distinct input profiles ready, and decide if you'll use native split screen, multiple windows, or capture software. These first steps prevent wasted effort later and let you pick the optimal technique for your system and the specific game you want to split. Now you implement the chosen method. If native split exists, enable it in settings and assign controllers, then tweak HUD and FOV for clarity. For multiple instances, run separate sessions via sandbox, virtual machines, or different Windows users. Bind inputs so each instance is independent. If using capture software, create one scene per player, crop and scale windows to form a cohesive grid, and lock frame rates. Make sure audio channels are separated or mixed clearly so each player hears what they need. To finish, balance visual quality and performance. Set consistent resolutions for each pane, use a stable bitrate if streaming, and target the same FPS across players. Once done, lock control mappings and save profiles so setups repeat reliably. If performance dips, disable VSync, use wired controllers, and lower render scale or graphics presets. Troubleshooting tip. If a player's view drops or input conflicts occur, update GPU drivers. Test single-player mode to isolate the problem, then reapply settings one change at a time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.